Have you ever been captivated by a stunning logo, scrolled through a user-friendly website, or just stopped to admire a beautifully designed magazine spread? Well, all those amazing visuals are products of graphic design. Maybe you're wondering, what does it take to be a graphic designer? If I can use Photoshop and create some good-looking rectangles, am I considered as one? Well, software skills are definitely valuable tools, but graphic design is about much more. Let me explain. You might think graphic design is just about creating isolated elements like complex logos, random posters, or even some visually appealing images using softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe XD. But here's the thing. Graphic design isn't about randomly producing a bunch of pretty pictures. It's rather about visual communication. To be precise, it's use of images and texts and other elements to actually convey ideas and information. The better you are at telling a story using visual elements, the better a designer you are. Now, imagine a restaurant menu. The logo or the title acts like the restaurant's emblem showcasing its brand identity. Maybe it's a playful font for a family-friendly spot or a sophisticated script for a fine dining establishment. Then there is the layout. The organization of sections, use of white spaces, and font sizes all contribute to clear communication. Easy-to-read menus with well-defined sections such as appetizers, entries, and desserts help customers navigate and make choices. And when you look at the color scheme, warm colors like red and orange can evoke a sense of excitement and hunger, while cooler blues and greens might create a more calming atmosphere. And this is the reason why almost all famous restaurants have some kind of red or orange in their logos. Restaurants use those mind tricks like mind control lasers to make the burger look like that one ring that you gotta have. Suddenly, your healthy salad plans get blasted into oblivion, and the next thing you know, you're walking out with a triple bacon cheeseburger and a large fry. Don't worry, they snuck that size upgrade in there too. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot of principles graphic designers consider, like typography, unity, hierarchy, contrast, proportion, harmony, balance, and many more. They are kind of bulky, so more on them later. So, this is the magic of graphic design. It helps you connect with the viewers. Sure, anyone can learn fancy software tricks and create visuals by following YouTube tutorials. But having a spidey sense of a graphic designer is something else. But don't get discouraged. The journey to becoming a graphic designer takes practice, but every step you take is a progress. So keep learning and keep creating. You will be amazed at how far you will come. Once again, don't forget to practice, practice, and practice. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to, well, do the thing. So adios.